The new iOS 27 Beta 3 is finally here, and of course it comes with new features and changes. So in this video I will show you guys everything that is new with this third beta of iOS 27. First of all, as you can see right here, the size of the update is quite huge. It says right here 15.2 gigabytes, even though I don't know why it says like that, because it has downloaded in the device for like 15 maybe 20 seconds, so I believe actually that size is way smaller. Now the build number for this update is 24A5380H. This is a new build number of the third beta of iOS 27. Now of course there are few new features and changes that we have to talk about, and let's get started first of all with the lock screen. So you know, whenever you update your device you get this notification here that the software has been updated. I'm not 100% sure here, but I think this icon right here has actually been updated. Something I'm actually sure about is that we have a new icon for the reminders. You probably won't be able to notice it here with the liquid glass, but if we move on to the stock icons of iOS, you will notice here that we have actually a brand new icon for the reminders app, which looks really awesome. And I think the stocks icon has also been updated. Both of them actually now look really good. Moving now into the settings app, and this is what you will see at the top once you update to iOS 27 Beta 3. It says optimizing search and Siri. Now when you go here, you basically get this explanation. You can go to learn more here, so you can use your iPhone as normally what you would. Of course, this is basically the indexing thing, but now they have renamed it to optimizing search and Siri. Now Siri actually does seem quite faster in my opinion, especially the Siri app with the third beta. It is really good, and what's really interesting is that when we go here we actually have access to Siri, but if you actually press and hold the button right here, the side button, you now get the old Siri, and this is really interesting. Probably has to do with the background process, and we'll have to wait and see in the coming hours it will actually fix or not. Another really great thing is that I've seen already quite a few users actually reporting that they have been seeing 5G plus for the first time on their devices after updating to the new iOS 27 Beta 3. Now Siri on iOS 27 Beta 3 will now also let you adjust the voices. This was here before, but you couldn't basically do anything on it. You can now actually use this setting and adjust the pace and all that stuff for your voices for the new Siri. So these are some of the new features and changes that we have been able to discover on iOS 27 Beta 3 until now. Of course, there will be a lot more, so we're going to do another follow-up video with the other new features and changes that we will be able to find. So that is it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.